Good day, colleagues. My name is Professor Emmanuel Adu from University of Fort Hare, South Africa. In my last episode, I took you through a journey of how to do a piloting study and the trustworthiness of confirmability, transferability, and credibility of measuring the validity of qualitative research. Today, I'm going to take you through another research journey, which is writing a plausible research ethics. Writing a plausible research ethics. You will agree with me that the acceptable behavior in conducting a research, the universally acceptable behavior in conducting a research by appreciating the values and the principles of the participant are referred to as the ethics of research. You cannot just wake up in a day and think about going to somebody to interview him or to send a questionnaire to him by invading his or her privacy. So research ethics is a fundamental phenomenon in a research process because it has many variables that a researcher needs to consider before continuing with their research. Number one thing researchers fail to understand is the humanity part of research. The humanity part of research is talking about the love and the compassionate behavior you have for your respondent, the people you are going to collect the information from them. Then you need to also understand that you need to mitigate against every harms or dangerous things or any potential harm that can affect your participant. You need to consider that while you are carrying out your research or you are collecting data. Likewise, you need to protect their identity. You protect the identity of the participant, and you need to give them the freedom of expressing themselves. And the most fundamental things you need to know about research ethics is getting their consent. Let them tell you they are willing to assist you. They are willing to answer your questionnaire, and they are willing to answer your interview question. You need all those things when you are writing your research, thesis, and dissertation. What of the anonymity and confidentiality of the participant, the psychological harms and protections, the voluntary participation? All these things need to be very taken care of when you are writing your research. However, some of the mistakes researchers are making here is that when they are writing this ethical consideration, they keep on giving you the conceptualization of this ethical consideration, conceptualization of anonymity, conceptualization of avoidance of harms, conceptualization of confidentiality. No, you need to align each of these considerations to your own study. How do you going to avoid harms in your own study? How do you going to get the consent of your participant related to your study? How do you going to make sure that you possess humanity? You motivate your participant in that study, not a general definition of how this thing is being written. It's not what you are saying here. You are going to align it with your study because every study differs in type of instrument you are using, in terms of your participant, especially when you are using a participant that are underage, below 18 years old and above 60 something years old. If those are your set of participants, you have to consciously put up together your ethical consideration like I've alluded to. Let me pause here. Next time, please watch out for the YouTube series of my research. Click on the link, click on the bell, click on personalize so that whenever I upload any of my series, you'll be notified. Thank you and bye for now.